This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah. So good evening, friends. The last
Good
session
evening.
we are done with partial payment in accounts receivable in customer management. We are done with standard payment and partial payment, where standard payment is mode is used when entire amount is paid by the customer at a time, whereas partial payment is initially he will pay the maximum amount of the due amount and the remaining amount he will pay later on. Then another method is residual payment. So let us see this residual payment, how residual payment mode or option will work out in SAP system. Okay, right? Just one second. Hope my voice is clearly audible, right?
Yeah, Jay.
Yeah. So please take step number 1 for residual payment. Process customer invoice for an amount of rupees, let us say 20,000 using F-22 for the goods sold. Process customer invoice for an amount of rupees 20,000 using F-22 for the goods sold. So as I already given path for F-22 in earlier session, I'm not going to give you the path. Directly I'm going with the T code, transaction code. So give F-22 in the command box, press enter. Give F-22 in the command box, press enter. Give the document date, today's date, give the document date, today's date. Then document type DR. DR is the standard document type provided by SAP, which will be used to process customer invoice. Then company code, R company code MMI1, and posting date, today's date. Posting period, if you want to give, you can give, or else system will pick up automatically. So just I'm giving 4. Then currency INR, post key 01, customer debit, and give the customer number 1012501. We have created customer, and for created customer, system has allotted this number 1012501. So account customer number should be given. Press enter. Press enter. Give the amount 20,000. Give the amount in amount field 20,000. Then give the text customer invoice processing for the goods sold. Customer invoice processing for the goods sold. Then posting key 50, that is credit, and give the sales GL account 4 lakhs to. Sales GL account 4 lakhs to. Press enter. Press enter. Star in amount field. Star in amount field. Plus in text field. Plus in text field. Click on document on the main menu. Click on document on the main menu. Then click on simulate. Click on simulate and click on post. Click on post. Click on post. Next step, Step number 2. Step number 2. Display customer line items using FBL5N in order to know the receivable amount. In order to know the receivable amount. Display customer items using FBL5N in order to know the receivable amount. So give FBL5N in the command box. Give FBL5N in the command box. Press enter. Give FBL5N in the command box. Press enter. Give the customer number, our customer number 1012501. Give the customer number 1012501. Give the company code, our company code MMI1. Give company code MMI1. Then select all items radio button. Select all items radio button. Click on execute. Click on execute. Click on execute. Click on execute. So by exiting, you know that what is the amount to be received from the customer Manisha. Okay, here 20,000 we are supposed to receive from the customer Manisha. Why 20,000? Because we have processed the invoice for 20,000 rupees since we have sold goods worth of rupees 20,000 to Manisha. So now we are supposed to receive 20,000. The due amount, the receivable amount from Manisha to the business organization is 20,000. Assume that out of 20,000, let us assume Manisha initially has paid 16,000. Okay, right. So step number 3, process customer payment of rupees 16,000 out of the due amount of rupees 20,000 using F-28. Using F-28. Our customer is supposed to pay 20,000 to us, but 20,000 at a time she is not paying, only 16,000 she is paying. So therefore, under residual payment, how this will be processed, let us see. So transaction code is F-28. So give F-28 in the command box. Give F-28 in the command box. Press enter. Press enter. F-28 in the command box. Press enter. Give the document date, today's date. Give the document date, today's date. Give the document type DZ. DZ is the standard document type which is used to process payments received from the customer, which is used to process incoming payments of the business. So give the document type DZ, company code MMI1, posting date, today's date, posting period 4, currency INR, clearing text customer payment, give customer payment, give the account cash GL account, that's 1 lakh 1 cash GL account, amount 16,000 as I have mentioned in step description. For example sake, amount 16,000, and text customer payment, text customer payment. Here account customer number shall be given 1012501, 1012501. Click on process open items on the top left. Click on process open items on the top left. Write down very carefully, please.
Hello.
Hello.
Sir, this open item selection, you have to give the customer number mandatory?
Mandatory, sir. Otherwise, how system will understand which customer you are processing?
But usually when you get any mandatory things, there's a tick mark on that. If you don't put, then will it process or not?
It won't process, sir. But there is one more option you can have. See here, you can see document number right side visible.
Yes, document.
If you set document number, system will ask you to enter the invoices numbers.
So that time when you are doing an
That way,
posting in FD 22, there you have to give the receipt number.
yes, correct. Right.
Okay.
So click on process open items on the top left. Click on process open items on the top left. Write down very carefully. Click on residual items tab, third tab from the left. First you can see standard, second one partial, third one residual items. So click on residual items tab, single click only. Click on residual items tab. Then come down here, right side, here in between the screen. Amount entered is 16,000, assigned is 20,000, not assigned is 4,000. I have already mentioned, always while processing a payment, not assigned field must be with zero balance. It should not have any balance in the field. If there is a balance in the not assigned field, system will not allow us to process the payment further. So we should ensure that not assigned field must be zero. But here if you observe, there is a balance appearing here, 4,000 amount. Okay, so continuation, please note down. Double click in residual items column. Double click in residual items column. Write down very carefully. Double click in residual items column in the place which is white in color. In the place which is white in color. In the place which is white in color. In some cases, in the place of white color, you can see yellow color as well. No need to worry. Either it will be white or it will be yellow. So observe what will happen if I am double clicking. So before double clicking, again I'll repeat. Double click in residual items column in the place which is white in color. So I'm double clicking. Observe what will happen in the screen. See, Now come down here. Amount entered is 16,000, assigned is 16,000, not assigned is 0. Before double clicking, there was an amount in not assigned field. After double clicking, the amount has become 0 in not assigned field. Okay, so we can go ahead with the processing of payment. So click on document on the main menu. Click on document on the main menu. Click on simulate. Click on simulate and click on post. Click on post. Right. So initially what we have done, we have sold goods worth of rupees 20,000 and further we have processed invoice. That means we are supposed to receive 20,000 from our customer. Out of 20,000, we assumed that we have received 16,000 as an payment, as an incoming payment. So that 16,000 we have processed in the system. Now, out of 20,000, we have received 16,000. Therefore, if we go and see customer account balance, how much balance it must show?
4,000.
4,000, correct. So let us ensure that. Step number 4, display customer line items using FBL5N in order to know the receivable amount. In order to know the receivable amount, display customer line items using FBL5N in order to know the receivable amount. So give FBL5N in the command box. FBL5N in the command box. Press enter. Give the customer number. Give the company code. Give the company code. Select all items radio button. Select all items radio button. Click on execute. Click on execute. See, 4,000 is the balance. It is showing only 4,000 as the due amount. Okay. Let us assume that this 4,000 has also been received or as paid by our customer. So next step, step number 5, process customer payment the remaining balance, remaining due amount, that is residual amount. As the receivable amount is less, we are calling it as residual amount. Residual amount, within brackets, for your clarity sake, I am giving rupees 20,000 minus rupees 16,000. Rupees 20,000 minus rupees 16,000. Just I'm highlighting this. Right. Using F-28. Using F-28. So give F-28 in the command box. Give F-28 in the command box. Press enter. Press enter. Give the document date, today's date, document type DZ, company code MMI1, posting date, today's date, posting date, today's date, posting period 4, posting period 4, currency INR, currency INR, then clearing text, customer payment, clearing text, customer payment, and account cash GL account 1,01,000, 1,01,000, amount 4,000, rebalance, and the text customer payment, text customer payment, account customer number shall be given, customer number shall be given. Click on process open items on the top left. Click on process open items on the top left and see here, amount entered is 4,000, assigned is 4,000, not assigned is 0. Right. So as the balance in amount in not assigned field is 0, comfortably we can go ahead with processing of the payment. So click on document on the menu. Click on document on the main menu. Click on simulate. Tell me please.
We don't
Tell
need
me.
to go in residual items tab. Directly we can do in standard payment.
Yes, sir, directly, because entire due amount we have received at a time. Suppose out of 4,000 you have received only 500. Let us assume. In that case, either you can go for partial or you can go for residual payment. You should click on that in that case.
One second. Partial can be done in 2 installments, and residual can be done in multiple installments, isn't it? Is it like that?
Even in partial also, no. Is it even in partial also you can done in multiple installments? Just for learning sake, I'm assuming that in 2 phases we have received the amount. That's it.
No.
Right. So click on post. Click on post. Right. So document has been posted. So as we have processed entire amount, as we have received the entire amount, initially we sold goods for 20,000. Out of 20,000, initially we have received 16,000. Then we have received 4,000. Now, if we go and see the customer balance, it must be receivable amount must be how much?
Zero.
Hello? Yeah, correct. It must be 0. So take step number 6. Display customer line items using FBL5N and ensure that the receivable amount is 0. Receivable amount is 0. Display customer line items using FBL5N and ensure that the receivable amount is 0. Right. So FBL5N in the command box. FBL5N in the command box. Press enter. Press enter. Give the customer number. Give the customer number. Company code. Company code. Then select all items radio button. Select all items radio button. Click on execute. Click on execute. Now if you see the balance, the amount system is showing For customer 1012501 Manisha, receivable amount is 0, since the entire amount has been received from the customer and processed in the system. Okay? Right. So this is how standard payment, partial payment, and residual payment works out in the system. Okay. The next topic, customer down payment. Customer down payment or advance payment from customer, down payment or advance payment from customer. If you have remembered well, same scenario we have seen in case of vendor management. Did you remember, sir?
Yeah, automatic payment program.
No, 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 not automatic. Prior to automatic payment, we have seen down payment.
Yeah.
Remember, when we see down payment, what is down payment? What I have explained at that time? Manisha must be.
Payment that what we are making to vendors, and because of which we are getting some discounts even. Like
No, 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 no.
okay, that was
Down payment. Down payments.
some amount of some payments which we are making initially to the vendors.
Okay. Then afterwards, after purchasing the goods or before purchasing the goods, that payment.
Before purchasing the goods.
Correct. Correct. See, in case of down payment, in vendor perspective, we have seen already same down payment or advance payment concept. We will also have to see from customer perspective. See, sometimes what will happen is, generally what will happen, we will sell the goods to the customer, and for the sale we will receive the amount. That means after selling the goods, we will receive the amount from the customer. That is general scenario. But in some cases, what we will do is, as a business organization, to deliver the goods or to deliver the material to the customer, we might request him to make some payment in advance, which means before we deliver the material, we will request, organization request him to make some payment in advance. Then we will deliver the goods, we will hand over the goods, then afterwards remaining balance will be received from the customer. That means customer will pay advance, customer will pay initially some amount to the business organization, then he will take the delivery of the goods. After taking the delivery of the goods, we will receive the amount from the customer. So that means in general scenario, after delivery only payment will be received from the customer. But in case of down payment, before delivery of the goods, we will receive, organization will receive some amount in advance. So whatever the amount that has been received by the organization in advance before making the delivery, that advance amount received from the customer, advance payment received from the customer, is called as down payment. Understood clearly?
Yeah.
Hello? Yeah, right. So let us see what is down payment, how this down payment processed, down payment made by the customer will be processed, and what are all the configurational settings that are required to process down payment. So before that, let's have some theoretical points. Yeah, please take the points. In general, customer will pay the amount. In general, customer will pay the amount to the business after sales, that is after receiving the after receiving the goods oblique delivery, sorry, goods oblique material, goods oblique material. In some cases, business might request the customer to pay some amount as advance before delivering the goods oblique material, before delivering the goods oblique material. Here, whatever the amount paid but paid in advance by the customer to the business is called as down payment, or which is also called as advance received, which is also called as advance received, advance received. Next point, down payment, sorry, under this topic, the configurational settings required for processing advance received and the procedure to process the advance received will be covered under this topic. The configurable settings required for processing advance received and the procedure to process the advance received will be covered. Yeah, let us take step number one. Step number one, very important, please. Very, very important step, conceptually very important, but stepwise it is very easy step. Stepwise it is very easy step. Configuration wise it is very conceptually it is very, very important step. Okay, step number one, create advance received GL, advance received reconciliation GL account, under the account group liabilities using FS00, create advance received reconciliation GL account under the account group liabilities using FS00. So give FS00 in the command box. Give FS00 in the command box. Press enter. Press enter. Click on liabilities account group. Click on liabilities account group or expand liabilities account group. Click on create icon. click on create icon. You can see here, create. I kept my cursor on that. Click on create and give the GL account number. GL account number. I'm using 204. Need not be 204. Can take any number which you want. So just I am taking 204. Then company code MMI1. Company code MMI1. Please.
Why are we creating in liabilities?
Probably, sir, did you go through the down payment in case of vendor?
I don't think I attended the class, that's why.
Fine. Right. Sir, what is happening here? What is down payment? It's a very good question. See, what is down payment here?
We are receiving the advance.
We are receiving the amount in advance. Are we receiving amount before delivery or after delivery?
Before delivery.
Correct. Before delivering the goods to the customer, correct?
Yes.
Before delivering the amount, before delivering the goods itself, we are receiving the amount, means to the extent amount we have received, commitment has been created for business organization, correct?
Yes.
Under any circumstance, it has to supply at least to the extent of advance received. It hasn't supplied so far. So it is owing to the customer till it supplies goods to the customer. Get my point?
Okay. But in
Okay.
vendor payment also it is the same thing.
No, it is under assets side.
Assets.
I'll show you after creating this. After creating this, I'll show you that GL accounts we have created.
Okay.
So company code MMI1. Press enter. Press enter. Account group. Select liabilities. Account group liabilities. Select balance sheet account radio button. Balance sheet account radio button. Short text. Short text. Advance received account. Advance received account. Long text. Advance received account. Advance received account. Give the short text and long text. Give the short text and long text. Click on control data tab. Click on control data tab. And here reconciliation account for account type. Reconcile account for account type. Give customers. Customers. Then select line item display checkbox. Select line item display checkbox. And sort key. You can give any sort key. Just I am giving 031. You can give 001, 002, whatever you want. You can just I am giving 031. It relates to customer. Then click on create bank interest tab. Click on create bank interest tab. The field status group give G067. G067. Field status group G067. Click on save. Click on save and get the message data was saved. And get the message data saved. and get the message data saved. Whereas just look at, I'm expanding assets number. See here, advance paid. Visible?
Yes.
Yeah. Look at the terminology. It is advance paid. This is advance received. Here advance paid means down payment made by the business to its vendor. Here advance received means down payment received by the business from the customer. It is payment end, it is receiving end. It is procurement end, it is sales end. It is from the point of view of vendor, it is from the point of view of customer. Understood? Right. The next step, important step, step number 2, very, very important. Entire down payment concept depends on this particular configuration step. Step number 2. Step number 2. So keep star mark for this. Keep star mark for this. Step number 2. I will show you only the setting, but I will not explain why this setting has to be done right now. Though I have explained already, this is the entire step, root step. This is the base for viewing down payment in SAP system. Down payment scenario can be seen, can be done in SAP system. Down payment scenario can be completed in SAP system because of this particular setting, because of this particular configurational setting. So I'll show you how to do this setting right now, but how this setting will impact, I will show after a few steps. Okay, so just take down link between advance received GL account, advance received GL account. Just 1 second, please. Advance received GL account, that is 2 lakhs. You write down in brackets, within brackets 2 lakhs 4 for your clarity only. Link between advance received GL account 2 lakh 4 and sundry debtors reconciliation, sundry debtors reconciliation GL account, sundry debtors reconciliation GL account, that is 1 lakh 5, 1 lakh 5, 1 lakh 5. I repeat once again, link between advance received GL account 2 lakh 4 and sundry debtor reconciliation GL account 1 lakh 5 in order to allow the processing of in order to facilitate, not allow, facilitate the processing of down payment received. I have the step description. Link between advance received GL account 2 lakh 4 and sundry debtors reconciliation GL account using OBXR. Please add in between, using OBXR in order to facilitate the processing of down payment received. Very, very important step, please. Right. So take down the path. 1 second, I'll stop sharing my screen and on it, please. Please be on the line. I'm sharing my screen. Please take on the path. SAP Easy Access, SAP Easy Access, SPRO, SPRO. Press enter, press enter. Click on SAP reference IMG. Click on SAP reference IMG. Financial accounting, financial accounting, accounts receivable and accounts payable, accounts receivable and accounts payable, accounts receivable and accounts payable. Then business transactions, business transactions, business transactions. Then down payment received, advance received or down payment received, both are same. Down payment received, down payment received, down payment received. Then define reconciliation accounts for customer down payments. 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 So just click on this icon beside to the define reconciliation accounts for down payments. Click on that clock icon. Write down very carefully. Double click on special GL indicator A. Write down carefully, please. Special GL, SGL stands for special GL indicator, which is related to down payment. So double click, I said double click on special GL indicator A and give the chart of accounts, our chart of accounts, MMI1. Give the chart of accounts, MMI1. Press enter, press enter. And here give the reconciliation account. Reconciliation account nothing but customer reconciliation GL account. Customer reconciliation GL account is what? Customer is nothing but sundry debtor 1,05,000. So give 1,05,000, 1,05,000. Then special GL account, special GL account nothing but down payment received GL account or advance received GL account. Advance received GL account is 2 lakh, sorry 4 lakhs 2, sorry 1,05,000. So, no 2 lakh 4. Advance received GL account is 2 lakh 4. 2 lakh 4. Advance received GL account 2 lakhs 4. So in special GL account field you give this one 2 lakh 4. 2 lakh 4. 2 lakh 4. In reconciliation account field, you give customer GL account or sundry debtors reconciliation GL account. In special GL account, give advance received or down payment received GL account. Then click on save. Click on save. Press enter. Press enter. And get the message changes have been made. Get the message changes have been made. Note down the message very clearly, sir. Get the message, changes have been made. Right, next step. So before going to the next step, will you be able to attend the class for tomorrow morning?
No, I have a office tomorrow.
Saturday, Prithvi?
Yeah, I have a week off on Sunday, Monday.
Sunday, Monday. Okay. Okay. Chill. No problem. Right. Okay. No problem. So get the message,
Okay.
changes have been made. Right. Next step. Step number 3. Step number 3. Process advance received or down payment received. Down payment received. Process advance received or down payment received of rupees, let us say 6,000. You can take any amount, just I'm assuming that 6,000. Process advance received or down payment received of 6,000 from the customer using F-29. Using F-29. Using F-29. So please take down the path. SAP Easy Access. SAP Easy Access. Accounting. Accounting. Financial accounting. Financial accounting. Accounts receivable. Accounts receivable. Document entry. Document entry. Then down payment. Down payment. Down payment. Then F-29 down payment. F-29 down payment. F-29 down payment. Let's stop it here only because it will take a lot of time to complete down payment processing and further. So I'm stopping here and we'll meet on next session. And next session will be on Monday, please. If you can join on Sunday, I can spare my time. I know your availability for Sunday.